welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to share a collective haul. So if you're here to see what's over here, what y'all need to do, y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here haul video. I think I'm gonna start off with the Sephora bag since it's open, because the other two are boxes. So Sephora had a buy more save more sale action. Like the more you buy, the more you save. Like if you buy 2 or more, you got 10%, 3 or more 15, and 4 or more you got 20 plus our discount. So of course Miss Tamika like, okay, let's go on and peek through Sephora collection and see what we can get. I didn't really go crazy because of the fact that I didn't really need a lot, because it was only Sephora collection. A few of their new items, because Sephora with a lot of new stuff. They're coming out with new liquid lips, like they redid the packaging because they're trying to be eco-friendly. So they revamping Sephora collection, you all. Say a lot of people sleep on the Sephora collection because they think, oh, it doesn't cost that much, so it's like cheap. No, it's just that they don't spend all of their money on advertisement and packaging. Say I grabbed a brush set because of the fact that it came in this here cute bag out of the sale. So did I need it? Absolutely not. But that's what we do here on this channel. We buy before the sale is $60, and I feel like it's a good price. You get a complete brush set. They had a face set, an eye set, and then like I said, the complete. But of course, since I got the extra discount, I purchased the full face set. I have a lot of brushes, but of course with brushes you do want to rotate your brushes every so often. Make sure this is something that I will want to keep in my collection. Okay, so this here I'm happy about because this is like a brow brush. Okay, so yeah, this is something I'm excited about. Using this brush right here, which is fine, angle to it, so it'll probably help me to carve my brows out a lot better. So yeah, I'm happy about that because I didn't even know this was in here. Face brushes, 4 eye brushes, and 1 makeup bag. So make sure, like I said, this is something that I want to keep. So you get a foundation brush, concealer, powder, blush, and bronzer. So this here is the brush and bronzer. This here is the foundation, concealer. I do like the concealer brush, you all. I do like the way they look and feel. So most likely I'll probably keep these brushes even if they not my absolute favorite, but they feel nice. I will say they feel a lot better than the gray collection that they had. So here are my new brushes. So I can't wait to use these. Use a crease and a shadow and a smudger. Like that's something I will never have too many of, because the crease. And this here is your smudger brush. So once you take them all out of this here little cardboard, you can place them in here. And this is also a good travel bag for your brushes and maybe some extra stuff that you may have to throw in your makeup bag. And I didn't get a lot because, like I said, I didn't need a lot. No, I have been doing this like whole lip thing on my social medias, like my Instagram and my TikTok, and my lip videos have been doing pretty well on TikTok, on Instagram, but of course whatever I share on TikTok I'm going to share on Instagram. So I say that to say I purchased the new lips because I wanted to do a lip look on these here new lips from Sephora collection, and I got the shade 72, the shade 32, and I got the shade 66 or 99. And I also bought one before. Okay, so this was the first one I bought, and this here is the 120, and I really liked the 120 because they the packaging and everything. Like, I really like the new packaging. So these here are the 3 new shades that I got, and if you don't know, I'm like a pinky nude type of girl, so wait to see what lip liner I'll use to create a lip with those. So that was everything that I got you all, because I didn't need a lot. So I got that. Let you know, Gucci came out with a new fragrance. When I tell you I love this here new Gucci, like, we sold out within I want to say the day, because Gucci had an event at our store, and y'all, when I tell you, I think we sold out by the end of that day. Grab a fragrance to put up, you missed out. So I was like, it's fine, because it's not like I need the fragrance like right now. So that's why I grabbed like 2 samples. I bought 2, one for my daughter, but she don't like it. I do. The notes here are vanilla orchid notes, and if y'all don't know, I love anything with a vanilla note. So yeah, y'all, this here is my absolute favorite. I cannot wait until I purchase this. I can't wait till this come back in stock, because I am looking to purchase the full size. This here portion of the video is sponsored by Merit, you all. Merit sent your girl their new brow pencil, and when I tell you this is the pencil that I used on my brows today, do you see my brows? Like, do you see my brows? Like, what? It's that Merit pencil, you all. When I tell you, let me show you. I pick out my shade for both, and I picked brown black for both. Now this here I had before, but they did change the packaging, because the way this was made, it was made like this. It's at the bottom, and you pull it from the top. So this new version of this, it looks like this. Merit brow products is, oh my god, hands down my favorite. Like, oh my gosh, you all, like, oh my gosh, like, see how different the packaging is. And this is what I use after I fill in my brows. Like, I was getting so many compliments on my brows today, so I was selling Merit like crazy. Pencil, I love a good brow pencil that's like micro, like really small, because I feel like it gives you the precise line, and it fills in your brow, like it gives you those perfect hair strokes. Like, oh my gosh, you all, when I saw this, I was just like, I knew I was going to buy it, but I didn't know Merit was going to send it to me. So when Merit reached out, I was like, hell yeah, I will do a review. It's the brow pencil. Like I said, it's nice and small. You have your spoolie at the end, and I love a brow pencil that has a good spoolie. The product here, like I said, is a really small point, and I love a brow pencil that's small and micro like this. Chunky ones, but if that's all I have, then I will use it. But I prefer to use like the real small pencil. Do like a reel or a TikTok video on this hair brow, just showing how I feel in my brows, because I struggle with brows. So I'll just have to figure out the best way to film a short video for this hair product. Hands down, my absolute favorite new brow pencil. I'll link all the details regarding this hair brow pencil down below, because the information regarding this hair brow pencil down below. And know anything about Merit, they sell foundation, they sell eyeshadows. Like, I really love their eyeshadows. Where's the eyeshadow? So here's the eyeshadow. I ended up picking the blue. This one here is called Midnight. And I did share this here on my channel when I did a get ready with me. I love Merit. Anything Merit. Like, again, if you never purchased from Merit, I would highly recommend clicking my link down. One of my favorite brow pencils at the moment. And when I tell you I struggle with my brows, so don't let these brows fool you. Like, you think Miss Tamika do good brows. No, Miss Tamika struggle. And what I go by is the fact that they're not twins, they're sisters. So yeah. But not least, I am here to share something I bought from Nordstrom. I don't know why they sent it in this here big box. I need to see, because I thought the item was small. And this here is something for your house. So yeah, This box is this big, y'all, and they gave me that big ass box, but whatever. That box so big. So this here, sorry. So this here was something that was of the anniversary sale, because when I looked at the price, I'm like, okay, I didn't pay that much. All right, so this here retails for $106, but I got it during the anniversary sale, $70 something. I will link this down below for you all, because let me tell you something. This here is the Smart Fragrance Diffuser set. When it smells good, it's a large room, adjust scent instantly. Fragrance lasts up to 120 hours. You can create timers and schedules safe and clean ingredients. It's like, yeah, I'm getting a headache. I don't know if it's because I'm hungry. I'm in there about trying to cook me something to eat now. You can connect to your Alexa, and I do have Alexa, so I cannot wait to use this cutie starter set. So all I need to do is buy the, oh wow, wait a minute, because if I just bought, woo, yeah, I was about to say, did I just spend all this money just to buy the air fresheners? Okay, all right, so let's start all over. So when you open it, this here on the front, let me put it back to show you, because at first I was like, hold on. So when you open it, this is what you see. With 4 refills, and serve white tea, number 1, citrus one, lavender fields, little diffuser, you all. So all you do is plug it in, and you place your little, you place the little scents in here. I mean, you can pick which one you want to pull out fragrance, I guess. Up on this somewhere, because like I said, this is my first time purchasing this. I was watching a YouTuber and she was raving about it, so I was like, let me purchase one and see, because you know I'm a gadget type of girl, you all. I love gadgets. That's why I have computers and laptops and cameras and all kinds of stuff. So read up to find out how to work that. Once I figure it out, I probably will turn my camera back on and let you all know, or I probably will get back on here and just to update you all. I'm getting a little headache. I don't know what it is. I didn't have any coffee today, so I don't know if that's what's going on. And let me go fix myself something to eat, and then maybe I can pull myself together to get back on this here camera. If not, I'll just probably update you all regarding this hair air freshener in a future video. But I enjoyed this really quick haul. Don't forget to description box so you can get all the information regarding purchasing yourself a Merit brow set. Use me for reference. I did get brown black, and that's the darkest shade, Tamika shade. Then I would highly recommend getting the dark the brown black, because the other shade would be a little too light, because I had to redo my order because the first shade I picked was way too light. I said, let me make sure. So I saw that they had the darkest shade, the brown black, the brown black. So yeah, that's what I ended up getting, you all. Like I said, please give this video a big thumbs up, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to y'all in the next video. Mwah.